Reproduction is the process by which. Correct answer is B. Young ones are produced. Which of the following is not a mode of asexual reproduction? Correct answer is D. Fertilization. Amoeba reproduces by. Correct answer is C. Binary fission. Hydra reproduces asexually by. Correct answer is B. Budding. Sexual reproduction involves. Correct answer is B. Two parents. The male reproductive cell is called. Correct answer is C. Sperm. The female reproductive cell is called. Correct answer is B. Ovum. Fusion of sperm and ovum is called. Correct answer is B. Fertilization. Fertilization that takes place outside the body is called. Correct answer is B. External fertilization. Which animal shows external fertilization? Correct answer is C. Frog. The cell formed after fertilization is called. Correct answer is C. Zygote. The developing structure formed from the zygote is called. Correct answer is B. Embryo. Animals that give birth to young ones are called. Correct answer is B. Viviparous. Animals that lay eggs are called. Correct answer is C. Oviparous. Which of the following is a viviparous animal? Correct answer is D. Cow. The period during which the embryo develops inside the mother is called. Correct answer is C. Gestation period. Which of the following reproduces by budding? Correct answer is B. Hydra. Which of the following animals undergoes metamorphosis? Correct answer is C. Frog. The stage between embryo and baby is called. Correct answer is C. Fetus. Which of the following is not involved in sexual reproduction? Correct answer is D. Bud.